is important here. Okay. नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण आज नवीन टॉपिक सुरू करणार आहोत, मॉड्युलर लॅटिस. ओके. तर मॉड्युलर लॅटिस म्हणजे काय? सो a lattice shell with relation less than equal to is said to be a modular lattice if it satisfies the modular law. Okay. म्हणजे एखाद्या लॅटिसला मॉड्युलर लॅटिस केव्हा म्हणायचं की जेव्हा जर if lattice satisfies the modular law. What is modular law here? Whenever A is related to C, then A join B meter C is equal to A join B meter C for all the elements of lattice here. Okay, say the given equation 1. And what is the dual of the given here? So dual here, whenever A is greater than or equal to C, this gives A meet B join C is equal to A meter B join C for all the elements of given lattice. Okay, म्हणजे एखाद्या लॅटिसला मॉड्युलर लॅटिस कधी म्हणायचं? इफ सॅटिस्फाय द दिस गिव इफ एव्हरी एलिमेंट ऑफ लॅटिस L satisfy the modular law. Okay, and this is given by this modular law. Okay, modular law. Okay, so and dual here, and this is the dual of the given. This is the dual of this given modular law. Okay, which is important. Okay, so we have discussed some different cases. So case first, let A is equal to C. Okay, if lattice dual असेल, if A is equal to C असेल, then what is LHS of the given equation 1 here? So LHS is equal to A join B meter C is equal to A join B. Here A is equal to C, therefore B meter C. Therefore by absorption law we can see that this value becomes A. Okay. What is RHS of equation 1? This is what is the RHS of equation 1? So A join B meter C is equal to A join B, and what is A is equal to C? This is meant A. Again by absorption law we get the value A. Okay. So from equation 1 and 2 we claim that A meter B meters A join B meter C is equal to A join B meter C. When A is equal to C असेल, then this modular law is also holds. Okay, is also satisfied. Okay. त्यानंतर आपण पुढची केस बघणार आहोत. सेकंड केस, we see the second case. Let B is related to C. Okay, so let B is related to C. आपल्याला काय दिलं आहे? A is related to C. So therefore if A is, आपल्याला पुन्हा इथे काय दिलेलं आहे की we take second case, B is related to C. आणि आपल्याला काय दिलेलं आहे की A is related to C. So they give equation 5 and they give equation C. So taking mid and join in equation 5 and C, so we get, therefore we get A join B is equal to A join B is related to C join C आणि A meter B. आता बघा इथं काय दिलं तुम्हाला? A is related to C and A free. इथं आपल्याला काय दिलं सेकंड केस मध्ये? B is related to C and A is related to C. आता इक्वेशन 5 आणि 6 मध्ये काय घेतात? आता मिड आणि जॉइन घेतात. सो वी गेट A meter B is related to C meter C and A join B is related to C join C. Therefore what is C meter C is a C. Therefore we get A meter B is equal to C and A meter B is related to C and A join B is also related to C. So they give equation 7 and so they give equation 8. Okay, so therefore what is LHS here? So LHS is equal to A join B meter C. What is B meter C? So as B related to C, therefore B meter C is equal to B. So therefore B meter C is equal to B. Therefore we get A join B. So the equation 9. And what is RHS here? A join B meter C is equal to, as what is here? A join B. What is A join B is related to C. So therefore we get A join B meter C is equal to A join B. So by equation 9 and 10 we claim that A join B meter C is equal to A join B meter C. Say the equation 12. Okay, 11. Okay. You study again the third case. पुन्हा आपण third case बघणार आहोत. What is the third case? Let C is related to B. Okay, आणि आपल्याला पूर्ण काढलेलं आहे A is related to C. So then by transitivity, as A is related to C and C is related to B, by transitivity we can say A is related to B. Say the equation will. Okay, so again LHS here, A join B meet C, as C is related to B. Okay, what is here? As C is related to B, so A meet B is equal to C. Therefore we get A join C, and what is A? And A is related to C. Therefore A join C is equal to C. Therefore we get the LHS is equal to C. Say the equation 13. And similarly, what is RHS here? A join B meet C is equal to. So what is A join B? As A is related to B, A has B related, we can say. So A join B is equal to B and meet C, and B is related to, and C is related to B. Therefore we can say that B meet C is equal to C. So by equation 13 and 14 we claim that A join B meet C is equal to A join B meet C. See the equation 15. Okay. Then again next we see the fourth condition. Fourth condition here, let A is related to B. Let A is related to B, and आपल्या काय दिलेलं आहे, we have given A is related to C. So that we can see that by taking meet and join, A meet A is related to B meet C, and A join is related to B join C. What is A meet A is A. Therefore we can say that A is related to B meet C. So the given equation 16. Similarly, A join is equal to A. Therefore A is related to B join C. Say the given equation 13. Okay, 17. Okay. So LHS here again. What is LHS here? A join B meet C. Okay. आता here what is B meet C here again? As here as A is related to B meet C. So by equation 16, as A is related to B meet C, therefore you can say that the join of A B meet C is equal to B meet C. Say the equation 18. And RHS here, A join B meet C. Okay, as A is related to B, therefore you can see that A join B is equal to B, and B meet C. Okay, so say the equation 19. So from equation 18 and 13 we claim that A join B meet C is equal to A join B meet C. Say the equation 20. Okay, so we see the next notes 5. So equation notes second case 5. Let B is related to A. Now A is related to C. So by transitive property you can say that B is related to C. So again LHS here, A join B meet B. Okay, what is here? As B is related to C, therefore B meet C is equal to B. Therefore we get A join B. Okay, see the equation 22. And RHS here, A join B meet C. Okay, as what is here? B is related to A. So that we can say that A join B is equal to A, and as this meet C. Therefore we get A meet C. What is given here? A is related to C. Therefore we can see that A meet C is equal to A. So therefore by equation 22 and 23 we claim that A join A join B meet C is equal to A join B meet C. Say the equation 20. Okay. आता आपण या केसेस आपण असं कन्क्लूड करू शकतो की फ्रॉम therefore we conclude that, so we may conclude that we get from case 1 to 5, म्हणजे आपण केस 1 to 5 म्हणून आपण यातून असं कन्क्लूड करू शकतो. Okay, so we may conclude that we get from equation from case 1 to 5 when A is related to C. Okay, म्हणजे आपण असं कन्क्लुजन करू शकतो की आपण जे केस 1 to 5 पर्यंत केस बघितलेला आहे त्या केसवरून आपण असं कन्क्लूड करू शकतो की when A is related to C and B is comparable with either A or C, the condition for modular reality is satisfied. Okay, so from case 1 to 5 we claim that we can say that whenever A is related to C and B is comparable with either A or C, then we can say that the modular property is also satisfied. Okay, म्हणजे ज्या लॅटिस मध्ये आता एखादा लॅटिस मधून लॅटिस केव्हा असेल आपण असं म्हणतो की की ए इज रिलेटेड टू सी असेल आणि बी हा पुन्हा एखाद्या is compatible असेल with either A is equal to A or C, in this lattice we can say that this modular law is also satisfied. Okay, so example here, so lattice as given by a following diagram, show that we have to show that these are the modular lattice. Okay, this is lattice with least element 0 and greatest element 1, and this is also lattice with element 0 and greatest element is 1. Say the equation figure first and figure second. Okay, so you have to show that these two lattices are modular or not. Okay, so since आपण आता मागच्या नोट मध्ये बघितलं, since we know that when A is related to C and B is comparable with either A or C, then the modularity condition is satisfied. Okay, so you have to now we know to check, so we need to check only for the triples. Okay, so now therefore we need to check only for triples A, B, C, where A is greater than C and B is not a comparable A or C. Okay, मग आपण या ठिकाणी आपण मागच्या केस मध्ये बघितलं की A हा C सी रिलेटेड असेल आणि B हा A आणि B A किंवा C सी कंपेरेबल असेल तर त्या कंडिशन मध्ये मॉड्युलर प्रॉपर्टी या ठिकाणी काय होते, सॅटिस्फाय होते. मग आपल्या या ठिकाणी आता मॉड्युलर प्रॉपर्टी सॅटिस्फाय होत नसेल तर आपण वी हॅव टू चेक ओनली द कंडिशन फॉर विच to check only condition triples ABC for which A is greater than C and B is not comparable with A or C. Okay, so the figure 1 मध्ये आपण बघितलं, we have to see the figure 1. So in this case we can आता in figure 1 we cannot find any triples. Okay, आपण या फिगर मध्ये आपल्याला आता एखादा याला जर मॉड्युलर प्रॉपर्टी म्हणजे याला ह्या लॅटिसला मॉड्युलर म्हणजे आपल्याला मॉड्युलर लॅटिस म्हणजे आपण म्हणायचं असेल टू शो दॅट दिस लॅटिस नॉट मॉड्युलर दिस लॅटिस इज नॉट मॉड्युलर लॅटिस, इट इज सफिशियंट टू फाइंड द ट्रिपल्स A, B, C with A is greater than C and B is not a comparable A or C. म्हणजे जर त्या मॉड्युलर लॅटिस मध्ये आपल्याला अशा 3 A आणि B चे ट्रिपल्स मिळाले की ज्या सॅटिस्फाय द गिवन कंडिशन, इन दिस कंडिशन वी कॅन से दैट द गिवन लॅटिस इज नॉट अ मॉड्युलर लॅटिस. ओके, आता इक्वेशन फिगर 1 मध्ये आपण बघितलं in figure 1, so we cannot find any triples A, B, C such that A is greater than C and B is not comparable with A or C. Okay, म्हणजे या फिगर मध्ये लॅटिस मध्ये आपण असे 3 ट्रिपल्स या ठिकाणी आपण शोधू शकत नाही की ज्या सॅटिस्फाय गिवन कंडिशन. ओके, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला असे ट्रिपल्स या ठिकाणी आपण मिळालं असते की ज्या सॅटिस्फाय गिवन कंडिशन we can see that this lattice is not a modular lattice. Okay, so therefore here we can show that figure 1 is a modular lattice. Therefore similarly we can show the figure 2. Therefore we can similarly take argument for the figure 2. We can say that figure 2 is also modular. Figure 2 is also modular lattice. Okay, आता आपण बघितलं की A is related to C असेल आणि B हा A किंवा C ला काय असेल कंपेरेबल असेल, देन दिस लॅटिस इज अ मॉड्युलर लॅटिस. ओके, मग आता त्या लॅटिसला एखाद्या लॅटिसला जर आपण मॉड्युलर लॅटिस नाही असं आपल्याला कन्सिडर करत असेल तर त्या लॅटिस मध्ये वी कॅन फाइंड अ ट्रिपलेस ABC that satisfy the given condition A is greater than C and B is not comparable with A and C. Okay, असं आपण शो करत की आपण असं ठिकाणी शो केलं, फाइंड केलं ट्रिपलेट. We will find a triplet A, B, C that satisfy the given condition. Then we can say that this lattice is not a modular lattice. Okay, but in a chain, परंतु chain मध्ये काय असतं, so we cannot find such triples. Okay, but in a chain we cannot find such triples. Therefore, but in a chain we cannot find any triples A, B, C such that A is greater than C and B is not a comparable with A and A or C. Therefore, we can say that every chain is a modular lattice. Okay, म्हणजे मॉड्युलर लॅटिस मध्ये आपण असे ट्रिपल्स या ठिकाणी शोधू म्हणजे फाइंड करू शकत नाही दॅट सॅटिस्फाय दिस कंडिशन. म्हणजे एखाद्या ट्रिपल्स मध्ये एखाद्या लॅटिस मध्ये कंडिशन सच म्हणजे in a lattice we can find triples that satisfy the given condition, then we can say that this lattice is not a modular lattice. Okay, but in a chain we cannot find the triples ABC that satisfy the given condition. Therefore, we can say that every chain is a मॉड्युलर लॅटिस. ओके, विच इज इम्पॉर्टंट हिअर. ओके, आपण म्हणू शकतो की प्रत्येक चेन काय असते, मॉड्युलर लॅटिस असते. ओके, त्यानंतर so you have to show that की pentagonal lattice is not a modular lattice. Okay, show that the pentagonal lattice is not a modular lattice. Okay, this is the pentagonal lattice. Okay, this contains 5 voltages, A1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is called the pentagonal lattice. Okay, so in our figure we see that here in figure we see that ki A is related to C. Okay, so now consider A join B meter C is equal to, okay, what is here, so B is related to, so what is B meets here, what is B meets here, what is the B meets here, so B meets C is a 0, therefore B meets C is a 0, therefore you can say that A join 0. What is the join of A 0 here, so is A, so the equation 1. And second condition here, A join B meet C. What is A join B? So join B is 1 and 1 meet C is a C. So the equation 2. Okay. So from equation 2 we claim that this modular property do not hold. Okay. So do not satisfy. So therefore we can say that A join B meet C is equal to A join B meet C. Therefore we can say that the pentagonal lattice is not a modular lattice. Okay. Therefore, we can say that the pentagonal lattice is not a modular lattice. Okay, you have to show that again. Okay, you have to show that sublattice of modular lattice is a modular lattice. Okay, म्हणजे एखाद्या modular lattice दिला असेल तर sublattice तुम्ही घेतला, it is also modular lattice. Okay, so let S be a sublattice of modular lattice. Where A, B, C are the element of S, with A is related to C. What is S? S is the subset of lattice L. So you can say that A, B, C is also element of L with the relation A is related to C. Okay. What is here? So L is a but L is a modular lattice. Therefore, by satisfy the modular law. Therefore, modular law. Therefore, you can say that A join B meet C is equal to A join B meet C. Therefore, what is A, B, C? So A, B, C are element of sublattice here. Therefore, you can say that every element of S satisfy the modular law. Therefore, you can say that S is a modular lattice. Therefore, you can say that sublattice of modular lattice is also modular lattice. Okay. त्यानंतर आपण शो करू. Okay, so we have to show that example. If a lattice has a pentagonal sublattice, म्हणजे एखादी लॅटिस असेल आणि त्या लॅटिसला जर पेंटॅगोनल सबलॅटिस असेल, then it cannot be a modular lattice. Okay, म्हणजे लॅटिस with a pentagonal lattice sublattice is not a modular. म्हणजे एखादी लॅटिस तुम्हाला दिला असेल, लॅटिस एखादा पेंटॅगोनल सबलॅटिस या ठिकाणी जर असेल तर ती लॅटिस काय राहू शकत नाही. It cannot be modular lattice. Okay, so example solution here. So we know that sublattice of modular lattice आपण lattice आपण मागच्या theorem मध्ये बघितलं की sublattice of modular lattice also lattice. Therefore we know that sublattice of modular lattice here is also modular. But we know that also we know that कि pentagonal lattice is not a modular lattice. Therefore we can therefore माता आपण पुन्हा एक बघितलं की पेंटागोनल लॅटिस जो असतो इज नॉट अ मॉड्युलर लॅटिस. ओके, therefore you can say that की L cannot have a, therefore L cannot be a modular lattice. Okay, म्हणजे आपण बघितलं की एखादी लॅटिस मॉड्युलर असेल तर त्याचा प्रत्येक सबलॅटिस पुन्हा काय असतो जसं मॉड्युलर, आणि त्या लॅटिसला जर पेंटागोनल लॅटिस असेल सबलॅटिस असेल आणि जर पेंटागोनल लॅटिस इज नॉट अ modular lattice. Pentagonal lattice is not a modular lattice. That we consider L cannot be modular lattice. That we consider your lattice having pentagonal sublattice cannot be a modular lattice. ती modular lattice राहू शकत नाही. त्यानंतर शो करू two lattices L M M are modular if only their Cartesian product L cross M is a modular lattice. Okay, we have to show that की L आणि M हे मॉड्युलर लॅटिस केव्हा असेल इथे ओनली जर कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे L cross M is a modular that you have to show, which is important term here. Okay, so we have to show that let L and M be two modular, that is we define a Cartesian product L cross M is a set which collects the elements of order pair AB, so that A is the element of L and B is the element of M. And we claim that L cross M is a modular lattice. Okay, so let we take the element from L cross M. Let order pair A1 B1, order pair A2 B2, and order pair A3 B3 are the elements of the set L cross M, with order pair A1 B1 is related to order pair A3 B3. Okay, then as to perform this relation, we can say that A1 is related to A3 and B1 is related to B3. So this is equation 1. Okay, and we know that since L1 and L2 are modular lattice, that we satisfy the modular law. Therefore, since L1 and L2 are modular, we can say that these lattices are satisfied the modular law. Therefore, we can say whenever A1 is related to A3, they will A1 join A2 meter A3 is equal to A1 join A2 meter A3. Say the given equation. Say the given equation 3. Okay, and similarly, whenever B1 is related to B3, then B and M is a modular, that is the satisfy the modular law. The we can show B1 join B2 meter B3 is equal to B1 join B2 meter B3. Say the given equation 3. Okay, so the equation 3 एक मानना होगा. Okay, so again next now consider order pair A1 B1 join order pair A2 B2 meter order pair A3 B3. Okay, so again by taking order mid on mid, so we get order pair A1 B1 join order pair A2 meter A3 meter B3. Okay, so again we take a join on order pair, therefore we get A1 join A2 meter A3 and B1 join B3 meter B3. Okay, so therefore by using equation 3 and 4 we claim that what is this here actually? By equation 2 by equation 2 and 3 this will say, so we can show that therefore we can show आपण एक असं म्हणू शकतो की this nothing but is this therefore this gives, so this relation gives, so this element gives this, because here is a modular. Therefore we can say that A1 join A2 meter A3, and this gives from equation 3 A1 sorry B1 join B2 meter B3. Okay, so again therefore we can say that again therefore we can say A1 join A2 B1 join B2 meter A3 B3. Therefore we can say that, so therefore we can say that A1 B1 join A2 B2 meter A3 meter. Therefore we can say that so therefore we can say that L cross M is a modular lattice. Okay, अपन ये क्या बोला कि if L1 L and M are modular lattice, then Cartesian product is also modular lattice. Okay, so we conversely suppose that L cross M is a modular lattice. Okay, then we show that L and M are modular lattice. Okay, modular lattice. Okay, so let A1 A2 A3 are elements of M and B1 B2 B3 are elements of M, with A1 is related to A3 and B1 is related to B3. Then the order pair A1 B1, order pair A2 B2, order pair A3 B3 is also element of L cross M, with A1 order pair A1 B1 is related to order pair A3 B3. Okay, so order pair is A3 B3. Okay, order pair A3 B3, and since since L is the L cross M is a modular lattice, this satisfies the modular law. Therefore we can say that order pair A1 B1 join order pair A2 B2 meet A3 B3 given by modular law we can see that order pair A1 B1 join order pair A2 B2 meet order pair A3 B3. Okay, order pair A3 B3. Good. And this gives by taking again by taking the mid in order by taking the mid in order pair, we claim that we get A1 order pair A1 B1 join order pair A2 mid A3 B2 mid B3. This gives again by taking the order pair in join and mid, we get A1 join A2 B1 join B2 mid A3 B3. Okay, so similarly again we take order pair we take order pair in for mid, so we get A1 join A1 join A2 meet A3 B1 join B2 meet B3 is equal to again A1 join A2 meet A3 order pair and B1 join B2 meet B3. Okay, this is the B3. Okay, which is important here. So therefore we can say that again therefore we can say A1 join A2 A1 join so A1 join A2 meet A3 is equal to A1 join A2 meet A3. See the equation 5. And similarly we can say that therefore again we can say that B1 join B2 meet B3 is equal to B1 join B2 meet B3. See the equation 6. So found apply to consider whenever A1 is related to A3, this satisfies this modular law, and whenever B1 is related to B3, then satisfy the modular law 6. Okay, then we can say that L1 and L and M are modular lattice. Okay, so therefore we can say that, so from equation 6 and 5 we can say that L and M are the modular lattice. Okay, which is important here. Okay, and the dual of modular lattice is also modular lattice. Okay, we should the dual of modular lattice is also modular lattice. Okay, so again we should that the dual of modular lattice is also modular lattice. Okay, we should the dual of modular lattice is also modular lattice. Okay, so let L be a modular lattice with a relation lattice equal to, and the dual of L is given by is lattice with relation greater than equal to. We know that the dual of less than equal to is greater than equal to. Okay, so here so for A is related to C and what is L is the modular lattice, then we satisfy the modular law. Therefore we can see that A join B mid C is equal to A join B mid C. See the equation 1. Okay, so again here if A if L is a modular law with relation less than equal to and C is related to A. Okay, again we can see. Okay, आता आपण काय केलं, A is related to C घेतलं and then इथं L काय होतं आपलं modular lattice, the satisfy the modular law. आता आपण पुन्हा घेतलं if L is a modular lattice आणि we change the relation C is related to A. Okay, आपण इथं काय केलं C is related to A. तर इथे आपण घेतलं the equation the A1 मध्ये equation 1 मध्ये C आणि A काय होतं can they are interchange to each other. Okay, म्हणजे if we take C is related to A, then from equation 1 we can interchange the A and C. Therefore then we have to interchange A and C in equation 1. So we get by interchanging A and C, इधर A होता we change the C, so C इधर C होता we change the A, इधर A होते इधर C की change कला and the C is there we change the A. Okay, we interchange the A. Therefore we get if C is related to A, then we can show C join B meet A is equal to C join B meet A. Okay, and then we can say that. Okay, so therefore we can say, and between that lattice is commutative, then we can say B meet A is equal to is commutative the A meet B. Then we can say, and similarly A join B commute the B join C. Then we can say, so therefore we can say that A join B meters, A join A meter, sorry, therefore we can say C join A meter B is equal to B join C meter A. Okay, so therefore A join B meter B is equal to B join C meter A, and therefore here again we can show that. So therefore B join C meter A is equal to C join A meter B. Therefore we can say that A meter B join C is equal to A meter B join C. Say the equation 2. Therefore we can say आपण एक क्लास म्हणू शकतो की so therefore we can say that for whenever A is greater than or equal to C, so we get a modular property A meter B join C is equal to A meter B join C. Say the equation 3. So therefore from equation therefore if we compare equation 1 and 2, आपण या ठिकाणी equation 1 आणि 2 ला एक compare केलं, म्हणजे equation 1 आहे, this is equation 1, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. आपण या ठिकाणी equation 1 and 2 ला एक compare केलं, so we get the same modular law. Okay, so if we compare equation 1 and 2, we see that meet and join are replaced with each other. Okay, म्हणजे तिथं meet होता, इथं काय आला join. आपण equation 2 and equation 1 and 3 जर आपण या ठिकाणी बघितलं तर meet and join are replaced to each other. म्हणजे जिथं equation 1 मध्ये meet असेल तर equation 2 मध्ये काय तिथं काय आला join आला, आणि equation 1 मध्ये join असेल तर equation 2 मध्ये काय आला join आला. Okay, meet आला. Now we can see that so from equation 1 we have used from for 1. Okay, so for equation 1 we use A is equal to C, and for equation 3 we use the A is greater than C. So you can say that equation 3, this is equation 3 with the A greater than C denotes the L, denotes that L with relation greater than or equal to is the dual of L with relation less than or equal to, and what is L, and therefore this dual is a modular lattice. You can see that the dual of modular lattice is also modular lattice. Okay, you can see that the dual of modular lattice is also modular lattice. Okay, त्यानंतर आपण पुढे बघणार आहोत. Okay, पुन्हा आपण बघणार की every lattice having 4 or less element are modular. कारण की एखादा lattice असेल की lattice मध्ये this is theorem. So every lattice having 4 or less elements is always modular. Okay, एखादा lattice असेल की lattice मध्ये काय असेल 4 किंवा 4 पेक्षा लहान less than की 4 किंवा 4 पेक्षा लहान less element असतील तर तो this lattice is always modular. Okay, so this shows that theorem every lattice having 4 or less element is a modular lattice. म्हणजे एखादा lattice दिला असेल की lattice की त्या lattice मध्ये 4 किंवा 4 पेक्षा लहान element असेल तर तो lattice पण इथे झाल्यावर modular lattice या ठिकाणी आपल्याला असतो, आपल्या या ठिकाणी शो करायचं आहे. Okay, so we know that a lattice having a pentagonal sublattice cannot be modular lattice. Okay, आपण मग मागच्या क्रमात बघितलं एक्झाम्पल मध्ये की एखादा lattice असेल आणि त्या latticeला जर pentagonal sublattice असेल तो then this lattice cannot be a modular lattice. Okay, therefore we can say that and a lattice having 4 or less element is unable to contain pentagonal sublattice. Okay, म्हणजे एखादा lattice असेल तर lattice मध्ये 4 किंवा 4 पेक्षा लहान element असेल तर तो lattice cannot be contain pentagonal sublattice. Okay, मतलब त्या lattice ला pentagonal sublattice राहू शकत नाही. Okay, so therefore there is no question to be non-modular of such a lattice. म्हणून तशा lattice साठी modular म्हणजे तशा lattice साठी non-modular चा एक में question arise होत नाही. So we can say that every lattice having 4 or less element is always modular. We can say that की एखादा lattice असेल की lattice मधला 4 किंवा 4 पेक्षा लहान एलिमेंट असतील तर दिस इज जस्ट अ मॉड्युलर लॅटिस. ओके, विच इज इम्पॉर्टंट हियर. सो लेट मी टेक अनदर थेरम. Okay, if for all elements A, B, C in lattice L, so see that A join B is equal to A join, sorry, okay, if for theorem, if for all elements A, B, C in lattice L, A meter B is equal to A meter C and A join B is equal to A join C, gives B is equal to C, then the lattice is a modular. Okay, जर आपल्याला असेल की एका लॅटिस असेल की लॅटिस मध्ये suppose there is a lattice and this lattice satisfy this given condition, then we have to show that this lattice must be modular lattice या ठिकाणी असला पाहिजे, आपल्याला या ठिकाणी शो करायचं आहे. ओके, सो लेट we know that a lattice L has a pentagonal sublattice, then it cannot be a modular lattice. Okay, आपण मागे बघितलेलं आहे. So assume that let us first of all L is not a modular lattice. Okay, आपण असं assume केलं की suppose that it is a we assume that की L is not a modular lattice. Okay, then there exists आता या ठिकाणी काय असेल, जर समजा तो लॅटिस मॉड्युलर लॅटिस नसेल तर then this by a contradiction. Okay, we use if we use the contradiction for this given statement, then at we assume that ki this lattice is not modular, you can see that there exists a pentagonal sublattice. Okay, तर त्या ठिकाणी काय समजायचं, there exists a pentagonal sublattice as shown in figure. This is a तर त्या ठिकाणी एखादा pentagonal sublattice असेल, this is a we show this a figure. Okay, from this figure here, so here आपण या ठिकाणी बघितलं here what is A meter B, so A meter B is 0 and A meter C is 0. Okay, therefore we can see that की A meter B is equal to A meter C, this condition is satisfied. Okay, ही condition त्यांनी काय केली, satisfy केलेली आहे. ओके, पुन्हा again A join B, what is A join B here 1 आणि A join C is equal to 1, then we can say that की A join B is equal to A join C. Okay, this condition is satisfied. म्हणजे if these two conditions satisfied, then B must be equal is equal to C. But here if we observe there, but here B is not equal to C, which is a contradiction. Okay, म्हणजे इथं काय म्हणतो की this condition is satisfied from equation 1 and 2. If this condition satisfied, then we can show B is equal to C. But if we clearly observe that here, but here B is not equal to C, and which is a contradiction to B is equal to C, then we can say that, and which is a contradiction to B equal to C, then we can say that, and which is a contradiction to B is equal to C, then we can say therefore our assumption is wrong. What is the assumption here? आपण याची assumption काय करतो की we assume that की L is not L is a non-modular lattice. Okay, therefore this assumption is wrong. Then we can say that की L must be a modular lattice. Okay, म्हणजे आता आपण असं हे शो केलं की एखादा लॅटिस असेल, एखादा लॅटिस असेल की लॅटिस मध्ये एखादा लॅटिस असेल की त्या लॅटिस मध्ये ही कंडिशन या ठिकाणी सॅटिस्फाय होत असेल, then this we can show that this lattice must be a modular. This lattice must be a modular lattice या ठिकाणी असला पाहिजे. ओके, त्यानंतर आपण बघणार आहोत नेक्स्ट चला. In a modular lattice L, if two elements B and C are comparable and A meter B is equal to A meter C and A join B is equal to A join C, then B is equal to काय असं पाहिजे, B must be B is equal to C या ठिकाणी असला पाहिजे. ओके, okay, we have to show that if A in a modular lattice L, if two elements A and B are comparable, B and C are comparable, and such as A meter B is equal to A meter C and A join B is equal to A join C, they will show that this B and C must be equal to each other. Okay, so now consider here. So we let B I can write by using absorption law. B I can write here B meter A join B by using absorption law. What is here A join B? What is here A join B? A join C. We can say that A meter A join C. Okay. And what is here? L is a modular law. Therefore, we can say that it satisfies the modular property. Therefore, we get A meter B join C. What is A meter B? What is A meter B here? A meter C. Okay. माने A meter B, and therefore by commutative property we can say that A meter B is join C. What is A meter B here? So A meter B is A meter C. That we can say that A meter B C. We can say A meter C join C, and by absorption property, by absorption law, we can say that this is A meter B, A meter C join C, nothing but is equal to C. That we can say that B is equal to C. Okay, which is important here. So again we see. Okay, a problem like it show that a lattice cell is modular if and only. So for any element A, B, C in lattice cell, the following condition holds. Okay, what is condition here? A join B meter A join C is equal to A join B meter A join C. Okay, म्हणजे एखाद्या लॅटिसला मॉड्युलर केली म्हणजे असं इफ सॅटिस्फाय दिस कंडिशन. ओके, so let here be a modular lattice. Then for any elements A, B, C, with whenever A is equal to C, A join B meter C is equal to A join B meter C. See the equation 1. Okay, so as A is related to C, then we can see that the join of A and C is the C. See the equation 2. Okay, so now consider we take this LHS. Now consider LHS is equal to A join B meter A join C is equal to. Okay, what is equation? What is equation 2? But what is the value of this equation? What is this? This is by equation 2. A join C is equal to C. Then we consider A join B meter C. Okay, so again by this L is the modular lattice. By using modular law, we can say that A join B meter C. Again what is C? Again what is again equation 2? What is equation 2? So C is nothing but A join C. Then we can say that A join B meter A join C. Then we can say that if L is a modular lattice, then we can show that this condition is satisfied. Okay, that is what is condition. A join B meter A join C is equal to A join B meter A join C. Okay, so you can also suppose that for A, B, C are the element of lattice cell, and this element satisfy this given condition. Say the equation 3. Okay, we suppose that for any element A, B, C in element lattice cell, and this element satisfy this given condition. Okay, say the equation 3. So let A is related to C. Then we can say that the join of A and C is the C. For say the equation 4. So putting in value this 4 in equation 3, we get what is the A join C is equal to C. Okay, we put A, if we put this value A join C is equal to C and A join C is equal to C, so we can require result. Okay, therefore we get A join B meter C is equal to A join B meter C. Therefore you can say that modular property is also satisfied. You can say that if every element of lattice cell satisfies this given condition, then this lattice must be a modular lattice and conversely. Okay, which is important here. Okay, next show that M cross N is a modular lattice where N is a set of a natural number is a lattice under the usual relation less than equal to. Okay, what is natural? This is a nothing but the set of a natural number. Okay, the set of a natural number is a lattice under the given relation usual relation less than equal to. Okay, so again, so we know that the set of a natural number with relation less than equal to is usual relation less than equal to the chain, and we know that every chain is every chain is a modular lattice. Then we can consider the lattice natural set of a natural number with usual relation less than equal to is a modular lattice. Okay, now play theorem we know there are two lattices L cross M are modular lattice if only L cross M is a modular. आपण एक theorem बघितला की L आणि M हे modular lattice कधी असतील. So two lattices L and M are modular if only the Cartesian product L cross M is a modular lattice. Okay, जर आपण या ठिकाणी we put L is equal to M is equal to जर आपण या ठिकाणी प्रूव्ह करू, इफ पुट L इज इक्वल टू m इज इक्वल टू, आता आपण या ठिकाणी सेट ऑफ नॅचरल नंबर घेतला. इफ टेक लॅटिस L m n, L and m are set of natural number, so we get the required result. Therefore you can consider, therefore the set of natural number n with relation less than equal to the modular if you only the Cartesian product n cross n is also modular. Okay, therefore you can consider, but the principle is the modular. Here modular assumption you can show n cross n is also modular lattice. Therefore you can show that the Cartesian product n cross n is also modular lattice. Okay, which is important here. So again next we see, again next term we show that a lattice L is a modular if only for any element ABC lattice L, see that A is related to C and C is related to A join B, and this gives the inequality A join B into C is equal to C. Okay, जब the show was given is modular, then this condition is satisfied, and if this condition is satisfied, this lattice must be a modular lattice. Okay, so next we suppose that L is a modular lattice. Let L be a modular lattice and ABC are the elements of lattice L. Then by definition of modular property, whenever A is related to C, then A join B meter C is equal to A join B meter C. Is the equation 1. Okay, now the criteria what is given, we have to given C is related to A join B. So therefore we can say that what is the RHS of equation 1? So RHS of right hand side of equation 1 is given by A join B meter C. So we have okay, again by using modular property here we can write A join B meter C is equal to C. Okay, so therefore we can say that whenever A is important. Okay, okay, but what is RHS here? RHS, this is RHS. So A join B meter C. So you are what is here actually? But what is here? C is related to A join B. Yes, C is related to A join B. So we consider that A join B meter C is equal to the C as level, because A is related to A join B. So we can say that the meet of A join B and C is a C. So therefore we can say A join B meter C is equal to C. Therefore again, and what is here actually here? This is a, but this is a property. Okay, again what is this here? By equation 1 we can say that okay, if this value is a C, therefore this is also equal to C. Okay, therefore we can say that A join B meter C is equal to C. Okay, therefore it is particular if L is a modular lattice and if this condition is satisfied, then this also condition is satisfied. Okay, so conversely suppose that let A, B, C are the element of lattice L, and if A is related to C and C is related to A join B, then gives this inequality gives the A join B meter C is equal to C. So the equation for okay. So upon observation ki this L satisfy the, so this element satisfy this satisfy the given equation 4. We show that this lattice is a modular lattice. Okay, so we assume that we use the contradiction method. If L is not a modular lattice, then L contain the pentagonal sublattice as shown in figure. Okay, अपन बघितलं की मतलब की आपण म्हटलं की F is a modular lattice. आपण प्रूव्ह केलं की if L is a modular lattice, then it cannot contain a pentagonal lattice. Okay, by using contradiction, if L is not a modular, then L contain a pentagonal sublattice. Okay, thus we can show that, and this actually figure. Okay, so in sublattice here, from this pentagonal we can see that A is related to C and C is related to A join B. Okay, and similarly we can show what is the B meter C. Okay, what is the B meter C here? So B meter C is equal to, what is the B meter C is equal to A meter B. Okay, and therefore we can show that therefore we can say that, and by this equation 4, if this condition is holds, then we can show this condition is also hold a व्हायला पाहिजे. Okay, therefore we can say that A join B meter C is equal to A join, what is B meter C? So B meter C is equal to, what is B meter C here? A meter B. Therefore we can say that A join A meter B is equal to, by absorption law, is equal to C, which is not equal to, by absorption law we can say this is equal to A. But what is here? If this value is, but what is here? A join B meter C is equal to C. इधर आपका क्या मिलेगा? A join B meter C is equal to A, which is not equal to C, which is a contradiction, which is impossible. Therefore we can say that our condition is therefore our assumption is wrong. Therefore hence the given condition does not hold. Therefore we can say that L must be a modular lattice. Okay, which is important. We can show L must be a modular lattice. Okay, so next we see which is important here, homomorphic image of modular lattice is also modular lattice. We want to show that homomorphic image of modular lattice is modular lattice. Okay, आपने ये चीज़ show करा. Okay, let L be a modular lattice and theta be a homomorphism from L to M, and theta L. What is theta L? Theta L is the set which collects the images of all elements of lattice cell. It collects the images of all elements of lattice cell. Is a homomorphic image of a modular lattice cell. And we show that theta L is a modular lattice. Okay, here since L is a modular lattice, okay, if L is a lattice, then the image of L is also lattice. We can say that theta L is also modular lattice. Okay, so let X, Y, Z are the three elements in theta L. Then there exists some elements A, B, C in lattice such that theta of A is equal to X, theta of B is equal to Y, and theta of C is equal to Z. Okay. Then let A is related to C, and here is let A is let A is related to C, and L is a modular lattice. Then by definition of modular lattice, we can say that A is related to C. This gives A join B meter C is equal to A join B meter C. Say the equation 1. Okay. So as A is related to C and theta is a isotone. Theta is what is theta here? Theta is a homomorphism. We know that every homomorphism is an isotone. Therefore we can say that whenever A is related to C, so theta of A is also theta of A is related to theta of C. What is theta of A? So theta of A is equal to X and theta of C is equal to Z. So we can say that X is related to Z. See the equation 2. Okay. So now consider by equation 1 we can say, and theta is a function is well defined. So whenever elements are equal, so images are also equal. Okay. Therefore we can say we take the image of that gives equation 1. Okay. So now consider theta of A join B meter C is equal to, and theta is a homomorphism. Therefore we can by using join homomorphism. So theta of A join theta of B meter C, and then theta is a homomorphism. Therefore we can say by meter homomorphism we can say that theta of A join theta of B meter theta of C. So what is theta of A? So theta of A is equal to X, theta of B is equal to Y, and theta of C is equal to Z. Therefore we can say that A join Y meter Z. Okay. Therefore this gives the value equation. Say the equation 3. Okay. So similarly we can say and theta of A join B meter C is equal to, so again by meter homomorphism, theta of A join B meter theta of C. So again join homomorphism, theta of A join theta of B meter theta of C. What is theta of A? So theta A is equal to X, theta B is equal to Y, and theta of C is equal to Z. If you can see that A join Y meter Z. Say the equation 4. So by equation 3 and 4 we can say that so therefore by equation 3 and 4 we can say that since theta is a well defined function, So whenever theta is equal to divine function, whenever elements are equal, so images are also equal, then we can say by equation 1, 2, 3, we get x join y meter z is equal to x join y meter z. Okay, therefore you can say whenever x is related to z, and this gives the x join y meter z is equal to x join y meter z for all the elements of lattice x y z, for all elements x y z in a theta L. Therefore you can see that theta L is a, and this so every element of theta L satisfy the modular property. Therefore we can see that theta L is the modular lattice, because hence we can show that the homomorphic image of, hence we can show the homomorphic image of modular lattice is also modular lattice. Okay, which is important here. Okay, next, so theorem, a complemented modular lattice is a relatively complemented. Okay, so after proof कि complemented modular lattice is a relatively complement अपने article show करे से है. Okay, let here be a complemented modular lattice, and we claim that here is a relatively complement. Okay, so as here is a complemented modular lattice ऐसा करें कि every closed intervals are complement. Okay, so let closed interval AB be any closed interval AB. Let closed interval AB be any closed interval in lattice L, and X is the element of closed interval AB. So then X is also element of L. What is L? L is the complement. So we can say that since L is the complement, and therefore there exists X dash in L such that there exists X dash in L such that X meet X dash is equal to 0 and Y meet Y dash is equal to 1. So we do not Y is equal to, let Y is equal to, we do not Y equal to A join B meet X dash, which is an element of X, and now and clearly it is also element of closed interval AB. Okay, it is also element of closed interval AB. Okay, so now consider X meet Y. Okay, so what is X meet Y? So X meet, what is Y here? So we put the value of Y. So X meet A join B meet X dash, and what is join? So join is the commutative property. So we can say that X meet B meet X dash join A. So therefore again what is here and what is here? Here X is closing X is the element of closed interval AB. We can say that X is related to X and X is related to B. So we have X is related to X. What is here? Here is the modular lattice that we satisfy the modular law. Therefore we can say that A meet B meet X dash join A. Okay, so we can say again by a commutative property, X meet X dash meet B join A. So therefore again by using the associative property for meet, therefore by associative property you can say that X meet X dash meet B join A. Okay, join A. And the next, therefore we can say that but what is X meet X dash is a 0. So 0 meet B join A. What is 0 meet B A? So 0 meet B is equal to 0 and join A. What is 0 join is equal to A? So we can say that X meet Y is equal to A. Okay, so similarly we can take a join. So now consider X join Y is equal to X join A meet B meets X dash. So again by using the modular property we can say that this is a, again by modular property we can say that X join A meet B meet X dash. What is X join A? So we have A is related to X. Then we can say that X join A is equal to X. So this gives the X. So X join B meet X dash. So again here we can use the modular property here. So by using modular property by using modular property we can say that B meet X join X dash, and as X is related to B, and L is what is L is a modular property. Okay, so we can say that by using property here. This is what is this actually? This is we can write by modular property here. We can write X join B by modular property here. So for this statement here, या statement आपण काय म्हणू शकतो की L is a modular property. L is a modular law. L is a modular lattice. So we satisfy the modular property. So here X join B meet X dash. Okay, so as X is related to B, the what is the join of X join B is equal to B. So B meet X dash. Okay, so we can say that we get B meet X join X dash. What is X join X dash is equal to, which is 1. So we can say that B and B meet 1 meet B is equal to 1. Therefore we can say that A join B is equal to B. So therefore we can say that so for element X in closed interval AB there exists Y such that what is Y here? Y is equal to A join B meet X dash, which is the element of again closed interval AB, such that X meet Y is equal to A and X join Y is equal to B. Therefore we can say that Y is a relative complement of X in closed interval AB. So therefore every element in a closed interval AB has a relatively complement in a closed interval AB. Therefore we can say that L is a relatively complemented lattice. Okay, therefore we can say that every complemented modular lattice is a relatively complement lattice. Okay, in this way we complete the fourth unit. Okay, we can stop here. Thank you. या ठिकाणी आपलं चौथं युनिट या ठिकाणी संपलेलं आहे. उद्या आपण पुन्हा 5 मिनिटला सुरू करणार आहोत. ओके.